What up, YouTube? How you guys doing? It's been a cool minute. Hope you guys all been doing good. Just gonna hop straight into this video. I'm headed to go detail this lady's car. She's on my maintenance plan that I see her every 2 weeks. She got referred by her sister. I did her sister's car about 4 weeks ago. So yeah, and her sister referred me to her. So now she likes my work, this and that. She wants me to come every 2 weeks to detail her car. Might possibly detailing her daughter's car in the future. So yeah, we're headed there right now. About 15 minutes away. I'm gonna show you guys my routine on how I detail a car. I have other videos on how cars I detailed, but I don't think I have a full in-depth video on how I detail a car. This is just my basic interior and exterior package. So yeah, nothing too crazy. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I get down real quick in the interior, and then how I go around with the whole exterior, and then I'll show you guys a few things that I upgraded for the van as well. I didn't think everything was gonna add up so much after I got the van, guys. I got the van, I think last month, or was it the month? I think I got it in November, maybe December. I don't know. Anyways, I didn't think it was gonna add up, guys. But shit, I give my full I take my full hat off to all the other detailers out there for investing into their businesses, because yeah, it gets pretty expensive. I'm not gonna lie. But neither here or there. We're headed to go fill up gas right now. I'll probably hit you guys up when I get back to when I get to the gas station. So yeah. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I thought the van would be pretty expensive to fill up, but not really, to be honest. And it's really good on gas. It has the flex fuel too, so like I've been filling up mostly with the E85, but where I live at, they don't have a E85 station out here in Surprise. Hey, if anyone out here in Arizona, you live out here in Surprise, hit me up. But yeah, well, hit me up if there's a gas station that has the E85, because that'd be clutch. Because if not, I'll have to go all the way to Peoria. But yeah, guys, I freaking love this van so much, bro. It's like so useful. Sliding doors and everything, I love it. And it's really nice out here in Arizona too. It's like perfect weather right now, perfect detailing weather. I know everyone don't like that summer weather out here in Arizona, though. It's something else, bro. I'm not gonna lie. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna just try to make this quick, because the owner actually has to go somewhere within the next hour and a half. So it's just my basic inside out. If you can tell from my maintenance detail from last time when I came, it's like not even dirty at all, which is nice. This is why I love having my maintenance plans that people jump on. Dirty is a little bit, it just needs a little bit of vacuuming. But yeah, I always start with the inside first, then I work my way out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start vacuuming. And yeah. So like it was just a quick vacuum, like I said, y'all. I didn't really have to worry about the back. I still got the seats and everything, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe down all the panels, frames, and all that around the dash, this and that. Just a quick wipe down, and then will pretty much be it for the interior. Come on, just spray a little bit, just get in there. Just a quick wipe down. Let's see. Here we go. Just a quick wipe down, guys. Like I said, this car isn't even dirty at all. And the lady that owns this car, she don't even go anywhere, so that's just pretty much clean. Flip that. Get this other side. Just get down here real quick. It's kind of hard to record, guys, when I'm the only one recording, making the video. I do want to eventually have someone record me so you guys can see a full in-depth video of me just kind of just doing my thing while I have someone recording me. So yeah. Get up there. Just a quick wipe down, guys, nothing too crazy. Like usually if I'm doing a deep clean on a car, you know, I'll go in with the Ninja scrubber, but since it's just a quick clean, like I said, I don't want to have to be here longer than I have to. Get in there. This piano black, you got to be careful with it, because if you're not, any car that has piano black, whether if it's on the inside or the outside, if you're not careful, you will scratch it. It scratches so easily. Make sure you guys are always flipping your towels too, guys. Just a little bit. I don't even need a lot. I'm running out of soap. I barely have any left, but it's okay. It'll do. Get this interior dash. There we go. Make sure that's good. Get in there. And then get back here. Just a quick clean. That's pretty much it for the front. Check it out, y'all. This is what I got. Yes, sir. I went with the 100-footer, Cox Reel baby. Went with the NTM nozzle. I'm keeping the same power washing gun I have now, but yeah, this is the one I got. It's freaking nice, y'all. I love this thing so much. I don't gotta worry about my 25-footer anymore because I got this one. Oh yeah, this thing is so nice. All right, y'all, so check it out. First, I'm gonna start with the wheels. When you're doing your exterior, always start with the wheels first, because it is the dirtiest part on your vehicle on the outside. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them off. Get in the thing. There we go. There we go. So once we got a good rinse, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this the Sonax Beast Wheel Cleaner. Some good stuff right here. This is what I use, y'all. So all you other detailers, don't at me right now. But this is what I use. Hit it with that. And then I usually hit it with the P&S, the Brake Buster. Let that release. There we go. I like to cake a lot on y'all because I really like to clean these wheels really good. There we go. You can see all that dirt coming up, all that grime, dirt and grime. And go ahead and go to the wheels. And that Beast Wheel Cleaner from Sonax, it really helps bring up all that dirt a lot. So that way you're not putting in so much work trying to like clean the wheels a lot. So yeah. Make sure you get in there real good. Behind the brake. I know it's sometimes hard to get in between the brakes because some brakes are bigger and you're not able to get in there. That's why I use a smaller brush, guys. Here we go. Go in there with this. Really get in there real good. There we go. Really work it. And it's good to always clean the wheels really, really good, guys, even if it takes a little longer. That way the drying process and wrapping up the whole car doesn't take forever going back and touching up the wheels. You're just quick in and out, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Then we'll just rinse them off. Get in there real good. Don't mind my power washer, y'all. It's a little loud. I need to get a different one, but also ended up upgrading to the MTM gun. I already washed it. You know, I didn't want to show you guys that because that's boring. But I already washed it, and then now I'm gonna go into the foam wash. Here we go. That's it. This MTM gun, guys, it was pretty expensive for this gun, but I love it. I'm not gonna lie. Come around. Look at how well it foams up, real nice. So yeah, like I said, and hopefully some of you guys are still watching the video. Hopefully you guys aren't bored or nothing. But anyways, just go ahead and go through it with the foam wash, and then I usually just let it sit there. Don't go ahead and start using your wash rag, your hand wash it already. Just let the soap sit. As you can see, look at it's bringing all that dirt down. And so yeah, just let it sit for a few minutes. Well, not too long. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up washing it off, all the soap, like 99% of it, and then we're gonna go through with the hand wash. So yeah. You don't have to get the wheels all crazy. Just get like most of it, just real quick. Like I said, you're not washing almost all the soap off. You're washing like 99% of it. And then you're gonna go ahead and go through with the contact wash. But yeah. Cause sun's out here beating like crazy. Anyways, take your big drying towel. This is a drying towel by the Rag Company, the Gauntlet. Preferably my best towel that I think they have on their whole website. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and dry this off. Can't do this and dry at the same time, it's too hard. Anyways, I'll hit you guys up in a few minutes. Whole car, I already went through on this side, but I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up doing the windows and wheels. I already did the door jambs, ready to do the inside of the car. So yeah, usually for my glass cleaner, I'll just use the old-fashioned invisible glass cleaner. Most detailers use this. I think this is personally the best one for glass. I do want to try the CarPro one and the Coach Chemi one, but this one seems to do, and the can lasts for a really long time. So yeah. And then for the tire shine, y'all, I am still running the Chemical Guys tire shine. Honestly, it's probably one of the best ones. I do want to try the P&S one, so if one of y'all have tried the P&S tire shine, hit me up, tell me how that one is. But yeah, I ended up ordering these little bottles on Amazon. These things came in clutch. They're so small, and they're just for like the tire pads, just to like go squeeze. Little ketchup bottles. These things are sick. But yeah, you can hit these up on Amazon. I don't remember where on Amazon, or else I would have left the link in the comments below. But yeah, pretty cool. Chemical Guys Tire Shine. What's up, YouTube? I'm actually headed to my next client in Peoria. Now, hopefully you guys like this video. That's how I detail my maintenance clients. So yeah, hit me up if you're out here in Arizona, if you need a detail, at Saints Detailing _. That's on IG, again, at Saints Detailing _. So yeah, other than that, guys, that, like I said, that's how I usually do my maintenance clients. Quick in and out, doesn't take too long. Did take me a little longer because, again, I was trying to record and show you guys the whole kind of the whole process of my how I do my maintenance details, which is my basic interior and exterior details. But yeah, other than that, guys, it's pretty much it for now. I am going to be getting my doors done soon because I do want to get a lot of bottle holders. I do want to try and see if I can get them diamond plated. Only thing is, I hit up a lot of places out here in Arizona, and most of them are in Cali, y'all. So it kind of sucks. But I did find my place. Usually it's in Glendale, Pressure Sales Equipment, or Pressure Equipment Sales. They're gonna probably hook me up with some doors, and then other than that, yeah, I'm gonna have like bottle holders, probably the MaxShine bottle holders to hold some IK sprayers, and then like some of my other products I use and stuff. I am gonna get my head into different products. I don't just want to be staying with one. I want to try different stuff. You know, that's the whole point of detailing. Try different stuff, see what you like, see what you don't like, this and that. But other than that, guys, pretty much it. Hopefully you guys like the video, and don't be afraid to go after your goals. 2023. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, Happy New Year. Shoot, Happy New Year to all you guys. I want to say Happy New Year to all my YouTube family. Happy New Year to everyone else that's just doing their thing, that's just wanting to be successful. It's a new year, so go after whatever you want to go after. And I'm here to tell you guys that if you're afraid to do something, or you're afraid to take that risk, that means that's the exact time you go do it. And other than that, that's pretty much it, y'all. Let's just make this a good year. This is a year of growth. This is a year to be successful. This is a year to grow your businesses. This is a year to grow your YouTube channels. This is a year to go after those things that you always wanted to have. And other than that, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. And that's pretty much it. I am going to try to go to a car meet or some car show soon, because I know you guys want some car content too. I know you guys just don't want to see the detailing. But yeah, holler down below in the comments what else you guys think I should be posting. Other than that, guys, see you on the next video. Deuces.